Happy New Year's, you guys. It's Danny here with Danny Nicole Fitness. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and first of all, of course, tell you Happy New Year. Second of all, share with you that one of my goals for this year is to put up more inspiring and motivational content on this YouTube channel so that hopefully I can help inspire you to tap into that part of your life where health and fitness become a priority, because my friend, you deserve it. You deserve to feel healthy, to feel energetic, full of life and joy. And there's a lot that working out and eating right can do to contribute to all of those amazing feelings. So I hope to see more of you guys stopping by on this channel. Always feel free to reach out to me and let me know if you have questions about anything lifestyle habits or, of course, working out. That's definitely why I'm here, to teach you how to do that and to fit it into whatever kind of life you're living. We all have different lives, different journeys, and any of us, no matter what we've got going on, are capable of adding fitness into that and making it all work and finding that balance. So hopefully for 2020, I can help you guys figure out how to fit it into your life and what's going on with you. So anyways, here's to 2020. Cheers, you guys. Keep it real, keep it happy, keep it healthy. See you next time.